guys, today we're going to learn how to make a very professional looking planner cover. It is very useful and plus it keeps you organized. For that, let's open up Canva. After opening Canva, like always on the top right, there's a button that says create design. You're going to click on that and then type planner cover. After that, a blank template will appear. You're going to use that to make your design. Try and see if you could make it colorful and make it look like it's professional and easy. Don't take up too much time. Done, I'll go to the top right corner and then click share. After that, I'll click download. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!